YouTube has removed several super popular ASMR channels within the past week, stating they have all violated the platform's content policy. ASMR has definitely been a controversial content category on both YouTube and Twitch. Does anyone else remember the era of Twitch streamers licking the ear microphones? Because that was wild. But not all ASMR content has innuendos or is even in nature at all. There are whole channels out there that promote relaxing and sleep with coloring and coloring books or painting or doing your hair or makeup. But alas, here we are with YouTube deleting these massively popular ASMR channels. Like, these channels had hundreds of thousands of subscribers and millions of views. These creators are saying they all received the same YouTube notice just last week, stating YouTube reviewed their channels and found severe and or repeated violations of their and nudity policies. So they ended up removing their channels. However, a YouTube spokesperson has since said that that's not actually why these channels were terminated. They were terminated because they said channels had links to material hosted on other platforms that violated their policies. So it wasn't the content on their actual YouTube channels that violated the policies, it was content hosted elsewhere. And YouTube actually does have an external links policy. It does not allow links to content that violates any of their community guidelines, and that includes links to any adult content. However, one of these creators said that their links didn't go to any sort of adult content and actually just linked to their Spotify channel. I find the timing of this really interesting because there's also been a lot of problems with AI reviewing channels and banning them when they should not be banned. So it seems like AI is doing all this moderation, and it doesn't seem like any humans are actually watching the AI or monitoring the decisions that it's making. So I wonder if it was AI that actually made the determination about these channels, or if an actual human looked it over and decided it violated guidelines or not. So I'm really questioning the fairness of the bans, because was it an AI determination? Did a person actually make that decision? And if a person did make the decision, are they overreacting at all? Or do you think the bans are justified and ASMR content of any kind shouldn't be on the platform? I feel like this isn't really just an ASMR issue, but it's also like a moderation issue with using AI. So like, I'm really curious to know what you think about all of this in the comments.